check out this fan. This thing is absolutely sick. This is two chargers in here. This box is not empty. I got 2 brick chargers in here, okay? Check this out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that Yoyoto sent me and did compensate me to make a review on the Super Power Turbo Fan. I do like this bag. Yoyoto, you did a nice job with the packaging. I love this bag. I always love branding on bags. So that's a great, I love that. Definitely an A+ in my book. So Yoyoto, nice job on the packaging. I love that. So what's in the kit here? Let's just go over some of the accessories first. Here is the actual fan itself. And this is a beast, guys. I mean, this is a serious tool. You don't need any more compressed air. Don't buy those cans. Use this. Fantastic. It has an LED light, super huge fan, big battery. We'll go over that in 1 second. Let's just go over what else is in the box here real quick. They give you some cleaning brushes, which is nice. There's a couple of cleaning brushes here for like dust and different things that are maybe a little bit deeper into the grooves. You want to get those loosened up. That's fantastic. I love that. It does give you all the nozzle attachments right here. So this is a nozzle. You want to blow up certain devices, you can, if it fits inside the nozzle, like mattresses and things like that. You can blow things with this. You can use it without it. You can use it with it. It also has a little brush that you can attach to it as well. And then there's a wide nozzle as well. So they give you a ton of different accessories that you can use in the package. I like that. Let's get the box out of the way over here. And this is what's in the kit right here. Now, again, super high quality, high impact plastic, a lot of features and benefits of something like this. If you're gonna, if you're doing a lot of cleaning and dusting, you need something like this. Don't buy those canned airs. That's just a waste of money. Peak power output is 320 watt peak output power. It has a 2500 milliamp battery. It lasts 50% longer than, it has a 54% more capacity in the battery. Overheat protection, has a lot of different features. Like it has a little LED light here. So if you're a little bit dark in a little area, like you're doing in your car or something, or your vents, it's got a light in here so you can see everything. Really fantastic. It's got 4 speeds, which I really like that. They got the 4 speeds. It's got all the nozzle attachments, and it's got a huge, you can just see this thing is a beast. This is no small tool. This is going to do every job that you're going to throw at it. It's going to do. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it can blow snow with this thing. This thing is just a beast. Again, feels good in the hand. It's got a good compact feeling. USB-C plug right here. I believe it does come with a USB-C plug. I forgot to show you that. That was in the box. The USB-A to USB-C right here. It's also in the package, so you can charge it up. I did top it off. It was about 3/4 full when I got it, and I did top it off. I always like to top everything off before I test it, but it did come around 3/4 full. Again, this is called the, let me just double check it. Yeah, it's called the G7. That's what this is called. Device. So let me just show you how to turn it on real quick. So it's got an LED display here, so when you turn it, it tells you when it's on. I just want to show you this fan. This thing is a beast. Look at this fan. I hope I can get this in focus. That is a huge fan. This is like a jet engine. That's ridiculous. This is huge. So this button here controls the speeds. Let me just show you that. Those buttons there. Hopefully I can get that in focus. You can see that's the fan. That controls the fan. Here is the power button with the USB-C right there. So to turn it on, you hold down the power button. Now you can see it's fully charged. There's our 4 bars. To turn on the light, you just tap, double tap, and you got the light on. Hopefully you can see. Let me just shut this light off so you can see that. So we have a nice bright light. And double tap again shuts it off, okay? So one setting, double tap on, right there, double tap off. And to engage the fan, all you have to do is just tap this fan button. It'll engage the fan. So let me put on one of these devices here, and we'll just put this on. And let's just see what it does when blow some of these. Now, these are pretty heavy. These are not light items. These are pretty heavy items. Let's just take a test here. We're going to see how much it blows these things. And we'll take a quick test now. Just put it on low. That's low, medium, high. Super crazy high, back down to 1, like that. And that shuts it off. So you just hold it down, a hold press will shut off the fan totally. So put it back on 1, you can just see that, even 1, blowing the stuff around like it's nothing. Absolutely like nothing. That's ridiculous. That's only on 1. Let me dust my camera, my monitor. This thing is awesome. Not too bad, feels really good in the hand. Number 2. That's really blowing a lot of air. 3. Microphone. 4. Back down to 1. Again, shut the power down. Still full battery. You can see that. That is fantastic. Let me take this off here. Let me just see how it feels without the nozzle. Because the nozzle can reduce and more of a focus the air. Just coming out really powerful. You can see blowing everything around. This thing is super powerful. Let's see what else I got. Here's a bottle of cleaner. Some liquid in here. Let's see if that works. Whoop, blow that right over. Blowing everything around, guys. All right, this thing is super powerful. I mean, really super powerful. I like the way it feels. I like this huge fan. This has a lot of boosting power. I think that's fantastic. You can see it's blowing everything all around. So if I can blow all these heavy things around, it certainly can blow dust around. That is not even an option, not even a problem. I mean, that is amazing. Again, I want to show you how it looks all branded right there. Here is the reducer. When you take the reducer off, you just unlock it like that. Comes off. Put the reducer back on like that there. And then you can have even a smaller one. Look at this. Look how small this one is here. This is a real small one. Pop that on right there. You can see a little tiny nozzle right there. So let's get into grooves. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that. Let's get into like grooves, like sideways and things like that, and into grooves like if you have keyboards and really deep inside. Again, let's tap it on one. And it's just blowing the air in the side. I can feel the air blowing on the side. Shut that off. Okay, take that off. Let's try, I tried this one already. Let's try the smaller one here. Tap on one, because it's just so powerful. It's ridiculous. Now it concentrates the air, so you can see that. I mean, you want him to stay up. I mean, that's ridiculous. That's only on two. That's crazy. Okay, and then let's see this go on here. Yeah, that'll actually go on. Nope, that'll go on the other one. So let's put this on the duster here. Let's put this here. Let's put this here. One. Then you can do the dusting. Microphone. I'm sure you heard that. 2, 3, 4. Tell you, 4 is ridiculous. 4 is like knocking everything over. Absolutely amazing power. So listen, guys, I'm definitely going to recommend something like this here. I have other dusters in the past, and this one blows it away. No pun intended. This one blows away the other one. I had another one I did a review on, and this one just blows that one away. So this is fantastic for any project, anything you're working on. Clean your PC, cleaning your house, baseboards, surfaces, wood shop, anything, tools. I mean, anything you need. This is a professional, high-quality grade tool. This is not a toy, okay? So don't treat it as a toy. Treat this as a tool. It definitely works extremely well. It's got a huge battery. Like I said, 2,500 milliamp battery. Lasts 50% longer than I think all the competition, if you ask me. So Yoyoto, great job. I love it. It's not too heavy. 12 ounces, like I said. Fantastic blower. I definitely give this a 5-star in quality and 5-star in also performance. I think that's a great name. I like that name. It's easy enough. There it is right there. All around, and it's got the grips here, so it's got the really good gripping. You can feel it. It feels really good in the hand, and definitely the way to go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review. If you did, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I do appreciate that. If I brought you some value, like I said, let me know. Also consider that super thanks. Everything I raise with the channel helps support me so I can do more reviews just like this. So that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the review. Make it a great day.